Hi, this is Yuri Tsihush, and welcome to the weekly report from FIBO Group. This week will be interesting as traders await the release of key indicators from United States. The focus will be on the durable goods orders, new home sales, and GDP. Out of Europe, we will see the unemployment rate and the business climate index from Germany. Japan will release the statistics block, and Canada will release their latest GDP numbers. On Monday, trading may start off quietly due to the public holiday in Great Britain, but the business climate index due out of Germany may give a boost to the European session. This index has been declining after reaching a peak for the last few years. It is a major signal of confidence for investment in Germany, and a low number will only reinforce the fears of investors. The afternoon will see the release of new home sales from the US, which promises some volatility in the US dollar. Tuesday's trading day will be one of the most important of the week due to release of durable goods orders index from the US. This index usually creates a lot of volatility and can really pressure the euro if the number comes in positive. Wednesday trading day may see traders take a break because of absence of important news. But after week Thursday promises to be exciting with the release of key statistics, including the consumer price index from Germany, and is one of the key indicators of inflation. This index is also closely connected to the performance of the ECB. And as usual, an expert and investment analyst from FIBO Group, Andrew Masters, is here. Welcome. Andrew, what is your take on the situation with the consumer price index in Germany?
Hi traders, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group, and welcome to my report on the German economy. The euro slid to an 11-month low after signs that the German economy was grinding to a halt, and that the EU as a whole was on the brink of deflation. Germany's ZU index, which is a measure of economic sentiment, slumped to the lowest level since the end of 2012. The reading dropped to 8.6 for August, nearing negative levels, having dropped from a 7-year high of 62 in December. The report said the decline in economic sentiment was likely connected to the ongoing geopolitical tensions. Recent economic reports have indicated that sanctions on Russia as a result of the conflict in Ukraine are acting as a drag on the German economy. Germany is Russia's largest trading partner in Europe. Overall, the German economy shrank 0.2% in the second quarter of the year, after registering 0.7% growth in the first 3 months of this year. This came in the wake of economic data released this month showing German factory orders plunging at their fastest rate in nearly 3 years, and industrial production rising less than forecast. Economists see these as worrying signs of faltering confidence in the German economy, which has been instrumental in lifting the wider Eurozone out of the worst of the crisis. Last month, the German CPI grew by only 0.3% and only 0.8% on the year. This is obviously a very low reading and only adds to the woes of the German economy. All eyes will be on next week's latest release of the German CPI, as traders look for signs about the direction of the German economy. If the number comes in under expectations, this will indeed be bearish for Germany and as the Eurozone as a whole.
Thank you, Andrew. Also, Thursday we'll see release of GDP from the US for the third quarter as well as statistics, and it can really create some volatility during the American session. This GDP number, which has recently remained below zero, is a very important indicator and gives a clear picture of the US economy. It has the potential to create volatility in currencies that are paired with the US dollar. Moving from Thursday to Friday, all eyes will be on Japan with the release of the unemployment numbers, customer price index, and the same index just connected with Tokyo. The Bank of Japan may worry that an increase in consumer prices may lift inflation. On the other hand, a weaker yen may improve exports and strengthen American dollar in pair with the yen. Depending on the numbers, we may see some volatility in the yen, especially against the US dollar. On Friday, the market will focus on the unemployment rate in the Eurozone. The figure has been falling slowly, and a lower number may instill confidence in the Eurozone economy. Unemployment in the Eurozone has been falling after a record high in May 2013 of 12.2%. Friday afternoon we'll see the release of the GDP from Canada, which has remained about zero for the last 5 months. A positive number can really give a boost to the Canadian dollar. Summing up the trading week, we can expect a lot of volatility, particularly in the US dollar and the euro, due to release of key statistics from these countries. The yen may be put under pressure as traders await the release of inflation data. Thank you everybody, and have a nice trading week.